Once upon a time, in a bustling toy factory, lived a small engine named Eddie. Eddie was different from the other engines. He was made of a variety of train parts, each one unique and special. Every day, Eddie would watch the other engines chugging along, carrying toys and goodies to their destinations. He felt a spark of admiration and a hint of envy. One day, he thought, I want to be like them too. One morning, the factory owner, Mr. Conductor, had a big task. He needed to send a special train full of toys to a far-off town. All the engines were tired and no one wanted to take the job. Mr. Conductor looked at Eddie, surprised but pleased. Very well, little engine, he said. You can try, but remember, the mountain is steep and the path is long. Eddie felt a bit nervous, but he was determined. He attached the train cars to his body, each filled with toys for the children. With a cheerful whistle, he began his journey. The climb was tough, the path steep, and the wind was strong. But Eddie didn't give up. He puffed and he pushed, using all his strength and determination. As he climbed higher and higher, the other engines watched from below. They saw Eddie's spirit and determination and were inspired. They thought, if a little engine can do it, maybe we can too. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, Eddie made it to the top. He felt a sense of pride and achievement. He had done it. He had proven that size doesn't matter, but determination and hard work do. From that day forward, Eddie became the hero of the toy factory. He showed everyone that you don't have to be big to be strong, and you don't have to be perfect to be special. All you need is a little courage and a lot of heart. And every night, as the factory quieted down, Eddie would sit by the window, looking at the stars, dreaming of his next adventure. The end.